Once upon a time, in a small town named Metropolis, lived a little boy named Timmy. But Timmy wasn't an ordinary boy, he was Superman in disguise. Every morning, he would wake up with the sun and change into his Superman suit, hidden beneath his pajamas. He'd fly out the window and soar into the sky, leaving a trail of starlight behind him. One day, a mischievous cat named Whiskers climbed up the clock tower, and the town's clock started to go haywire. The townsfolk were worried, but little Timmy knew just what to do. He flew up to the clock tower, and with a swift move, he saved Whiskers from the precarious perch. He then fixed the clock, and it started ticking perfectly once again. The townsfolk cheered as Superman landed, applauding him for his bravery. Timmy smiled, knowing he had made a difference, even if it was just for one day. Night fell, and Timmy returned home, tired but happy. He hung up his Superman suit and crawled into bed, ready to dream of his next adventure. And so, every day, Timmy would protect Metropolis, all while being just a little boy. But at night, he would become the superhero he was destined to be. The end.